Toronto, a vibrant and multicultural city, offers a wide range of activities for students on a budget. Whether you're a local student or visiting, there are plenty of free activities that allow you to explore the city's culture, nature, and history without spending a dime. Here are the top 10 free activities for students in Toronto that combine fun, education, and adventure. 1. Explore the Art Gallery of Ontario, AGO. The Art Gallery of Ontario offers free admission on Wednesdays from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Students can explore a vast collection of Canadian, Indigenous, and international art, including works by the Group of Seven and contemporary pieces. 2. Visit the Toronto Islands. Take a short ferry ride. The ferry itself is not free, but once on the islands, activities are, to the Toronto Islands, where you can enjoy a day of cycling, walking, or simply relaxing on the beaches. The islands offer stunning views of the city skyline and are a great spot for a picnic. The island chain is car-free, making it a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Accessible by ferry, Toronto Island is a perfect spot for a day trip or a relaxing getaway. 3. Walk through Kensington Market. Kensington Market is one of Toronto's most eclectic neighborhoods, filled with vintage shops, street art, and diverse food options. Strolling through the market is free, and the vibrant atmosphere is an experience in itself. 4. Visit the Royal Ontario Museum, ROM, on third Mondays. The Royal Ontario Museum offers free admission on the third Monday of each month from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Students can explore fascinating exhibits on natural history, world cultures, and more. 5. Stroll along the harborfront. The harborfront area is perfect for a leisurely walk with picturesque views of Lake Ontario. The area often hosts free events, performances, and art installations, especially during the summer months. 6. Explore High Park. High Park is Toronto's largest public park, offering beautiful trails, gardens, a zoo, and even a large pond. It's a great place for students to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy some fresh air. 7. Discover street art in Graffiti Alley. Located in the Queen West neighborhood, Graffiti Alley is a long stretch of alleyway covered in vibrant and ever-changing street art. It's a popular spot for photography and offers a glimpse into Toronto's urban art scene. 8. Join a free walking tour. Various organizations offer free walking tours of Toronto's neighborhoods, including the historic Distillery District in Old Town Toronto. These tours are a great way to learn about the city's history and culture from knowledgeable guides. 9. Attend a free festival. Toronto hosts numerous free festivals throughout the year, such as the Toronto International Busker Fest, Nuit Blanche, an all-night art event, and the Beaches International Jazz Festival. These events offer a mix of music, art, and entertainment. 10. Visit the Toronto Public Library. The Toronto Public Library system is one of the largest in North America, with numerous branches offering free access to books, other stuff, and events. The Toronto Reference Library, in particular, is an architectural gem and offers free exhibitions and author talks. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future content. And if you really want to stay in the loop, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know when we upload new videos.